Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel TechnoDBA. This channel is created for DBAs to gain the knowledge and learn to perform day-to-day activities. So in today's video, we will discuss about SnowSQL from the Snowflake database, and we will see how to download, install and basic use of it. So SnowSQL is basically a command line tool provided by Snowflake database, Snowflake technology, to access the database from our command prompt. So the OS supported is Red Hat Linux, then Mac OS 64-bit, and our Microsoft Windows 64-bit. This is not yet supported on 32-bit servers. So this is all around 64-bit servers. So we'll see how to download it, how to install it, and the basic use of it. Okay, I'll just open my Google Chrome. And just go to Google and search like download Snowflake, download SnowSQL. Okay, just click on first link, then you will see here Snowflake client repository. Okay, click on it. Now select the version, and now select the OS you want to install. This is I'm going to install on Windows 64-bit. So I'll choose the latest one, 1.2.9. Okay, I'm not sure which one is stable, but I'll still choose the latest one. It will take a few seconds to download it. It's around to finish. Yeah, it's finished. Okay, just double click on it. So this is a welcome wizard or welcome window for SnowSQL. Just click on next. Now select the location you want to, where you want to install the SnowSQL. I'll keep it default. Now click on install. It won't take much time to finish it, just couple of seconds, you can see. And this is a SnowSQL setup complete wizard. Okay, and they have given some instructions here like how to connect to your database. So this is SnowSQL -a, then account name -u, and then login name. I'll share another video in this I link. Then you can see where how to check the account name. Okay. And in case you don't want to put every time password in command prompt, then you can use this configuration file parameters. So account name, username and password. You just need to configure it once. Then you will be able to access the Snowflake database using just SnowSQL command. I'll click on finish. We'll see how to connect to database. Okay. Now open your command prompt. And now assume you want to see whether your SnowSQL is working or not. Just click SnowSQL -v. -v is for version. This is something related to my permissions issue, so ignore that one. So this is kind of the SnowSQL -v return that value version 1.2.23. So not sure which one is stable. I think 1.2.23 is a stable. So okay. All right. So this is how we can check if our SnowSQL is working or not. Now we'll see how to connect to database. Okay. So this is basically a command, I mean syntax to login. Okay, SnowSQL -a, account name, and then -u, username. I'll put my details. SnowSQL -a, account name is this one. This is my account name. Then -u, username. Okay. It will take some time to connect to database. Okay, just put the password. You don't have option to put the password in command prompt itself here. I mean -p something like that. We don't have that option here because due to the security reasons. So they have, every time you need to put the password when it is prompted. Okay. Now this is how your default SnowSQL window will look like. Okay, prompt will look like. We didn't select any database or schema here. So it's like directly giving this username and then a default warehouse. So this is how you can connect. Okay, now in order to exit from it, either press Control D or press or type exclamation mark and then exit and the semicolon. It will say goodbye and then it will come out of that prompt. So this is how you can use this SnowSQL. We will have more videos on this going forward. Okay, that's it for the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Thank you for watching.